Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry for the lack of videos lately. Been pretty busy with life. But our daughter Raven was born. She's about 3.5 months now. But other than that, we've been busy with our well over there. Finally got that going, and they hit water the other day, about 34 foot well. Been doing a lot more gardening, got some blueberry bushes in. I've also been busy building a storage shed for like the lawnmower, mini bike, spare lumber, whatever. But I'll show you that. The storage shed I've been building, it's not done yet, but it's mainly recycled material besides the roof. I'd say it's pretty good for recycled. But got the mower in here, mini bike. I gotta slap some doors up for winter, because I plan to use it, park a snowmobile in. Made it a double door, so just pull right in, pull right out the other side. Going with a black metal roof because I plan to do the garage with black metal and paint the house roof black eventually, because that's in pretty good shape still. I just hate that yellow. It's nasty. Other than that, things have been going good. Got my tree stand up across the street. Got that all cleared out. Really nice spot. I got a nice 9-point over there, some big does. Hopefully I'll get a couple doe and that buck this archery season coming up. Got this fig tree planted. I want to put a few apple trees along here. Some pear trees, plums, peaches, whatever. But that's where we're at for now. Got a lot of firewood going too, just to sell. I don't have a wood stove inside my house. I have one in the garage. Gotta get some pipe for that though. So probably have some wood shop videos going this winter. Probably be pretty bored, but yeah. I'm putting this new trailer to work. Holds about 3/4 of a face cord. It's really good capacity to be able to haul with your four-wheeler. Got some spare lumber over here, make firewood bundles. Sell them for like $5-10, whatever they go for. Have Jess doing that, give her some side work. And we came across this Polaris we got for free. It's a really nice Polaris. Just needs a carburetor, which I ordered. I got a battery coming. And I believe the thermostat and water pump switch right here is bad because it wouldn't kick on the radiator fan. So I'm going to swap that out too. Hopefully get this thing up and running. Starts pretty much first pull. It's just carburetor won't let it rev up without spitting fuel out the back of it. So I'll check everything, check the plug, make sure it's all good to go. I got my 97 over here, leaking transmission fluid, of course. There's a little module on the side of the transmission and a little gasket pulled out and leaking, of course. I gotta get a fuel pressure regulator for this thing, and it should be all good to go. It's got new box, had some framework done. Great truck, love the thing. There's always something stupid going on with it. I don't have the money to fix it right away, so it just sits. Good work truck. Trying to sell my Harley, get a bigger one eventually. Just too small for them long trips. So that pretty much concludes what I've been up to lately. Figure I'd give you guys an update on that. But hopefully I'll be making some more videos soon. Not sure on what yet, but I'm sure there'll be something.